In this video, we look into SQL Q&A part 14. So question 1 is this one. Retrieve the string up to last decimal. Example, in 198.15.100.2, retrieve 198.51.100 and ignore point 2. So we should ignore this and we should retrieve up to this point. So let us select this table in dim geography in AdventureWorks DW. We have this IP address locator which has got these values. So we'll work with this column and get this part and ignore that 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and the last whatever the numbers are there after the decimal digits and the last decimal. For that, let us write the query. So we will be selecting, let us get the whole query here. This is just for reference, we are getting this IP address locator, and then we have to remove the last decimal. So for that we can just reverse this. There is a reverse function and then reverse this IP address locator. So let us see what this gives. So this is giving us from the back, like this number has been reversed. So now from this we will be removing this dot. So next it will be char index of IP address locator. So for char index we should know the decimal. So this is the set string. Here we will have a comma here, and char index we are searching for this dot in this IP address locator. So the very first dot will retrieve. So it will give the position of that very first dot. That's why we have reversed it, because we want the last dot. So we reversed it and finding out the first dot position. And this position to this, char index of dot, and this should be reverse of IP address locator. This here, instead of this we take the reverse of address locator. So that will be the position 2. The first one there is a number and then there is a dot. So the position is 2. And now we'll find the length of the whole string. We can write the whole thing in one query, but in one column query, but I'm showing each part how it will be arrived at. Now the length of the whole string, say comma here, IP address locator, let's find the length of the whole string is 12. So if you see this, there are 3 here, and plus 2 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, and then there are 3 dots 10 11 12. So length is 12. We can name this at ETH. The keywords are coming and we name it as L, and we name it this as position. If I execute this, so we have this position 2 of this symbol, and the length of the whole string is 12. Now from starting from whole length, if we remove this 2, so we'll get 10 characters. So now we'll take the substring. Substring takes 3 parameters. One is the expression itself, that is IP address locator, and starting from which position. So we'll take this IP address locator starting from 1. We are starting from position 1, and how many characters we need? So we need the whole length, that is 12 minus these 2. That means 12 minus 2 is 10 characters. So we can't hard code it as 10. So we take from the whole length, we should subtract this char index. So we'll take the whole length, and this is the third parameter for this substring. Copy the whole length, we will give it in braces minus this char index of this 2 characters. And then we close the substring. Now if we execute this, so we got 198.51.100. The dot 2 in the end has been eliminated. Dot 3, dot 4, dot 5, everything has been eliminated. So if you go down this the last characters, if you see this, after dot the 203.0.113, so after the last decimal, whatever the number of characters, we have removed them. So that's how we can manipulate the string and get the whatever the characters we need from that string. Now question 2 would be retrieve the first 3 characters. Example, so if it is 198 dot this one, we have to retrieve 198. That means first 3 characters are 198. So how will we retrieve those first 3 characters? So let us take this query, copy, paste it here. Now we say here, just leave it like that. A left of, there is a left function, inbuilt function. IP address located, and from the left we need 3 characters. Means comma. If I execute this now, we got 198, 198. Go down, we get 203. That's how we can get the characters. Now we can get the right side 3 characters. That means even decimal is considered as 1 character. So this decimal is full stop, so different from this. So this is the decimal is considered as 1 character. So if we want the last 3 characters, it will be 0.2. So if I now say question 3 would be retrieve the last 3 characters. If I take this now, then say instead of left, here I will say right, or IG. If I execute, we got 0 0.2, 0 0.30. This is 0.12. That's how we get this 148. So that's how we can retrieve the characters from the left side or from the right side. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.